Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, February 13th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So, again, we're stuck in a balance, both on a daily, monthly, and weekly. That is a market that continues to search for more market-generated information to finally break out of this. And hopefully break out of it with acceptance and not just have false breakouts and come right back into it. Overnight, they traded higher earlier, especially NQ, as it got above both yesterday's high, the 11th high, and the 10th high. Okay, but now we're right back inside of yesterday's range. So we'll see if we get continuation to the upside. Again, yesterday's high isn't something that would be defended that much. Okay. In ES's case, it would be the 11th high, okay? Because that's the one that they want to break to get into the single prints and finally the upper distribution from the 7th. NQ, in their case, it wouldn't be until February 9th to take out this daily high, okay? Now, the daily low is a little different, especially in ES's case, because ES got pretty close to the daily low, balance low of February 4th. So if you take that out, that is something that would be of a concern for the bulls. NQ, still not so much. If you took out yesterday's low, they got nowhere near this February 4th's balance low. So again, more chop expected. If you open up in balance, in value from yesterday, you do have a 9-wide POC in ES, okay? And you have an afternoon pullback low in J. So we'll see if those get defended. Otherwise, we'll see if they go down the overnight low. But again, it was a decent range yesterday. So I would expect a lot of chop inside of here. NQ had the afternoon pullback in G. They only had a 7-wide or 8-wide, 7-wide point of control, I believe. So again, I would expect a lot of chop inside of here. So bulls need to get above yesterday's highs to start pulling value to overlapping to higher. Okay, as far as the game plan, again, you're too far right now. There is none. There's no real trade here for me early in the morning. If we're open closer to the overnight low or the overnight high, the front running trade is still always on the table. Okay, righty, right now, don't forget, righty had the gap. All right, the overnight came up, but again, the overnight wouldn't fill it. It didn't even fill it, but it would have to be filled in regular trading hours. So that would be their job to take out yesterday's high and fill the gap. And then on the chart, yeah, it's still the same picture. The only thing we can really say is the longer we stay in this big balance, and it is a big balance in the bigger picture, right? The longer we stay in it, it's 4 months on the monthly now in the S&P. The longer you stay in it, the more energy you should come out when it finally does. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.